Why is it called an autopilot if it can barely fly?
I apologize. Estimated time of departure. Never.
No kidding.
There are no signs of conscious life on this planet.
Are you sure? From what I see, it seems teeming with life.
I detect sarcasm.
You really are programmed well.
In order to ensure our survival, a brief exploration of the surrounding area is required.
Shall we put out our survival kit?
Great idea. Launching a boo.
A what?
A boo. Base of operations.
Who came up with that moronic name?
I did, sir.
I guess that works.